Scott Brown here. Welcome to another exciting episode. In this one, we're starting. This is the beginning of us turning this 3-bedroom house into a 4-bedroom house. Alright guys, so that's just the garage where we're storing things, but this house here is going to be our next few episodes anyway. Turning it from a 3-bedroom house into a 4-bedroom house. Let's do a bit of a tour. So that's where you walk in, and this is the living room, bedroom, and the rest of the house. We're not touching the rest of the house, so that doesn't concern us. But where a lot of the work is happening is in this bedroom here. That fireplace is disappearing. This is going out about 1.5 meters in line with that external wall out there. We're basically squeezing a 4th bedroom between these 2 bedrooms. This is the plan view of what we're just looking at. There's a fireplace. There's where we're moving it. There's a big bay window. And that's what it's gonna look like. So yeah, this should be a fun series of exciting episodes. We're also gonna open this entrance to the living room up, a bit more. And you can see the other bedroom here that shares the fireplace. Might be sad to see that go, but hey, at least you get another bedroom. And the windows are kind of changing as well, but all of that will come to fruition over the next few episodes. The first thing we're doing is demolishing everything. But in order to do that, we also have to protect the things we don't want to demolish. So this is like a thin cardboard product. I just picked it up from Placemakers. Builder board, not an advertisement or anything. And this is just to protect the wooden floors while we're doing the work. We're going to be walking in and out of here constantly, so we don't want to damage anything. And we're also going to change. One of these doors is going to end up being storage on the other side in the hallway rather than here in the bathroom. Oh, kia ora. Kia ora, bro. How are you? Welcome. So masking tape, eh, Gillies?
Yeah, mate. Just mark it up. I want that off. I want that moved.
Done. Everywhere. Chandeliers, gone. Thank you, man.
Alright, bro. I'm out west.
Have fun. So that's Gillies. He's going to disconnect the power that's in our way tomorrow. And then we can rip things apart without getting electrocuted. Alright, the protect everything stage of the renovation is getting there. I think we should just go till tomorrow where we start pulling things apart. And here we are, taking the carpet up.
Boom.
How are you, Pater?
I'm feeling good, bro.
Feeling good? So this carpet's pretty fresh, so we're doing our best to hold on to it. Yeah, flooring under it.
I know, it's so nice there.
This is very common in New Zealand. Timber floors kind of went out of style, and it kind of makes sense for bedrooms. You want a cozier feeling.
Yeah, for sure.
So I probably would do the same. I put carpet over it, but you can see how nice it looks when you start pulling it up. So obviously we're pulling up carpet and getting rid of things, but another thing that you need for a site that is, longer than a couple of weeks is a place to put the plans. So I'm going to make a little plan table right now. So the owner of the last property that we did the plywood ceiling on kindly let us keep the plywood, the offcuts. So that's what I'm using to make the plan table. Cheers for that, Phil. Whoa. Bit of old furniture left in the bedroom.
Don't get to see this.
Check out those hinges. There's a big barrel on a hinge, eh? Look at that. Great success. You did a good job there. They're really nice. They even pre-fill your bin with rubbish. Nice little personal touch there. Let's protect that new floor. Wow, old floor. Keep it new.
Yeah. It's this one too, so I'll leave it on. It's that one, alright.
Leave that one on.
So I might put a different bit of tape on there, so and that does that back room, that front room.
Yep. It does the whole room.
It should, yeah, it'll do the whole room. And when you do the demo, just come in here and turn it off.
So go.
Alright, I think we're done with our shit at the camera. We out.
You're out. Thank you. Well, there we go, Pato. It's all protected. All through here. That's our temporary office. There is some work, but later on. And now we can create some carnage. There we go.
And then you got this. Oh my god, it's dust proof.
Wow. Zip. That's pretty good. Well, there we go, guys. That's it all prepped, ready for the demolition, which will be the next exciting episode. Let's see what's behind those walls. There's always a surprise or two. Thanks for watching.